Omar Sheker, Human Rights Watch, says it is currently investigating the events in East Jerusalem, the efforts to forcibly evict Palestinians from their homes, and the Israeli military's use of force. Many people, though, watching the events still use terms like clashes to describe what is going on between these two very unequal sides. Words are important. How would you describe what is going on the ground?
Absolutely. Look, the situation in East Jerusalem, I think, underscores the reality of apartheid that millions of Palestinians face. The reality here is we face a situation in which Palestinians are being evicted for their homes and being replaced by Jewish Israeli settlers as part of a government plan in the municipality of Jerusalem and elsewhere for the Israeli government to maintain a sizable Jewish majority and to do so through a range of means, including evicting Palestinian residents, including boxing them into narrower and narrow enclaves. And I think the events in Jerusalem highlight this discriminatory reality.
And you've called this apartheid. Would you say that this is a clear attempt at ethnic cleansing? And if it is, what should be the legal consequences?
Look, I think this embodies the practice of apartheid. Apartheid, while coined in relation to South Africa, is a universal legal term. It's a crime against humanity set out in a range of international treaties, including the Rome Statute to the International Criminal Court. And those are the elements that we have in places like East Jerusalem, where you have a clear government intent or policy to maintain the domination of one group, Jewish Israelis, over another group, Palestinians, and where you have systematic oppression and inhumane acts carried out pursuant to that intent. In East Jerusalem, that includes policies like a conditional revocable residency status for hundreds of thousands of Palestinians, while Jewish Israelis living in the same territory have a secure citizenship status. It includes discriminatory allocation of resources. It includes the plundering of Palestinian land, giving it to Jewish Israeli settlements, the denial of building permits, the demolitions of Palestinian homes. These practices are really at the heart of Israel's crimes against humanity of apartheid and persecution.
Does it amount to ethnic cleansing?
Ethnic cleansing, as such, is not, a legal term defined under the same legal instrument. So Human Rights Watch's frame of reference is the legal terminology, and we've reached a conclusion about apartheid and persecution.